Welcome to this morning session of mindfulness. Over the next few minutes, we will dedicate ourselves to simply being present, observing ourselves with love and attention, recognizing how we feel here and now. This is your moment. Enjoy it. Let's begin. Direct your mind's attention inward, towards your body. Can you feel your body? Can you notice the physical sensations you're experiencing right now? Notice the points of contact, whether it's a chair, the bed, or perhaps your feet on the ground. Notice those points of contact. Could you now describe the overall sensation you feel in your body? Could you give it a name? Maybe your body feels tired, or energetic, or vital, perhaps nervous. If you can't find a precise word to define your body's state, that's okay. Just realize it and accept it without changing anything. Simply listen to your body as you would attentively listen to a baby. Now let's perform a brief body scan to detect any areas of tension. We'll start with the head. Notice your head, your neck, and your shoulders, and see if there's any tension anywhere. If so, just realize it, loosen up, and give yourself space to feel wherever you're feeling. Just notice it and relax. Now bring your attention to your hands and arms. Notice if there's any tension anywhere. If so, give yourself space to feel it. Just relax and accept it. Observe it and realize that tension exists. Now bring your mind's attention to your torso, your chest, ribs, abdomen. Notice if there's any sensation or a perception of tension. Simply ask your body, listen to it, notice it, and gently relax, giving yourself permission to feel wherever you feel. Now bring your mind's attention to your legs and your feet. Take them in carefully. Notice if there's anywhere you perceive nerves or tension. If so, give yourself permission to feel it and gently release it with kindness. Your body surely appreciates the attention you're giving it. Let's now address emotions. Can you describe your emotional tone right now? Can you notice what emotions you're feeling? Perhaps sadness, joy, or fear. Maybe you can't define it. In any case, visualize a space within you and give yourself permission to feel whatever you're feeling. Now bring your mind's attention to your breath. Notice where in your body you can most clearly perceive it. Maybe it's in your nostrils, maybe in your throat, or in the movement of your abdomen or your ribs. Notice it. Where do you most clearly perceive your breath? Also notice how your breath is slow or fast, deep or shallow. Whether you find it pleasant or unpleasant, just notice it. Whatever you experience, simply realize that this is happening. It's happening here and now. There's nothing to change. Just observe and accept. Now perceive the impermanence of things through your breath. Notice how it flows, how you inhale and inhale again and exhale again, over and over. Like everything in life, it comes and goes. Delight in this pleasant sensation of the flow of things. Notice your breath like gentle waves coming and going. Relax in your breath. Now, Rest in the sensations that your breath produces in your body. Notice if you can perceive any unpleasant sensations, whether physical, emotional, or mental. If so, bring your breath to that emotion and without struggling against it, simply accept it kindly, trying to release with each exhalation any hardness or resistance that may be around it. To conclude, take 3 deep breaths, becoming aware of the space around you and of any changes that have occurred in your body, your mind, and your emotions. If any change has occurred, just observe it and accept it kindly. Throughout the day, remember to maintain this attitude of openness, acceptance, kindness towards yourself, and be aware of all the beautiful moments that life will give you today. Don't let them pass. Pay attention and be mindful to the possible unpleasant moments that may occur during the day. If they happen, remember to bring your breath to that sensation and give it permission to be there, trying to release with each exhalation any kind of resistance that you may be exerting around it. Set the intention to live this day as meaningful as possible and with a positive mental attitude. I wish you a happy and productive day.